Hey everyone, Money Matters here. Ever wondered why saving money is so important? You see all these gurus talking about it, but like why? Is avocado toast really gonna destroy your financial future? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, we're diving into the top 5 reasons you need to start saving now. Plus some killer tips to help you get started. Seriously, this stuff is life-changing. Let's do this. Ever wondered why saving money is so important? Okay, first up, financial security. Let's be real, life throws curveballs. Your car breaks down, you need an emergency root canal, your landlord suddenly decides to sell the building and you gotta move. Trust me, I've been there. Having a solid emergency fund can be the difference between handling these situations smoothly and going into debt. Imagine this. You wake up to a flat tire. No sweat, you've got this. You pull out your T fund, get that tire replaced, and boom, you're back on the road. No stress, no credit card debt, just pure financial peace of mind. Now let's talk about your dreams. That dream house with the chef's kitchen, backpacking through Southeast Asia, retiring early and finally starting that alpaca farm you've always dreamed of? Okay, maybe the alpaca thing is just me, but you get the point. Saving money isn't just about surviving the present, it's about designing the future you want. Want to buy a house? That down payment might seem impossible, but break it down, save consistently, and you'll be surprised how quickly it adds up. Another great reason to save and plan ahead is so that you can stress less and enjoy life more. No more living paycheck to paycheck. Let's be honest, living paycheck to paycheck is stressful. Every unexpected expense feels like a crisis. But when you have savings, you can breathe easier. You have options. You can handle unexpected expenses without panicking, treat yourself to something nice without guilt, and focus on what truly matters in life. Imagine this. Your friend invites you on an amazing trip. Instead of stressing about money, you check your savings and realize you can actually afford it. That, my friends, is priceless. Saving and investing is powerful because it allows you to build wealth and watch your money grow. It's like magic. Okay, now let's talk about building wealth. Saving money isn't just about stashing cash under your mattress. It's about putting your money to work for you through investing. Imagine this, you invest a portion of your savings every month. Over time, thanks to the power of compound interest, your money starts earning more money. It's like a snowball effect. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Now the best reason to save and invest is that you can unlock financial independence and live life on your terms. This is the ultimate goal, right? Financial independence means having the freedom to live life on your own terms. It means not being tied to a job you hate just to pay the bills. It means having the flexibility to travel, pursue your passions, and spend time with loved ones. Saving consistently is the foundation of financial independence. It's about taking control of your money so you can design the life you want. Now you understand why saving money is important, but how can you increase your chances of success with saving? Here are some ideas. Open a high-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account is a great tool that lets you earn a high interest rate on your savings balance while maintaining easy access to your funds. Another option is to consider asking your employer to divert a portion of your payroll deposit straight to your savings account. Typically, you can specify either the percentage or dollar amount of your paycheck that you'd like deposited into your savings each pay period. This removes the temptation to spend money that's meant for saving. Start small. If you're new to saving money, don't feel pressured to save big amounts right away. Starting with a small recurring deposit like $5 per week can help you get in the habit of saving and gain confidence in the process. When you feel ready, you can slowly increase the size of your contributions. Tighten up your budget. To accelerate your savings efforts, review your discretionary spending and see what you can cut, like a streaming or unused fitness subscription. After canceling, pivot the money you would have spent on those services toward your savings fund. So there you have it, folks. Start saving today and watch your financial future transform. Even small amounts add up over time. Remember that emergency fund, set those financial goals, and watch your stress levels plummet as you build wealth and move closer to financial independence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on managing your money.